Hi, this is Us. You watching Mr. Us channel on YouTube. In this video, we will learn how to bold and italic style our paragraph, or you can also do it on your headings. Here is the starting tag of our HTML document. This is we are starting our body. This is starting tag for the body, and next this is our heading 1. This is our starting heading. This is our ending heading tag. So in the heading, this will be big heading on your web page. Tips for you. Next we have a paragraph 1, how to bold. Next we have how to italic. So these are also paragraphs. This was our heading. So how to bold something. So for example, this is our paragraph, Mr. Us. So how to bold it? You have to just use here B and also right here B. So okay, so this will now be bold. Save it. Writing oo.html. So I am now saving it. Go for OOO. So here you can see we have a bold paragraph here. This is bold paragraph here. You can also change it to italic size of your paragraph. This was our heading. This was our heading. This was our paragraph. How to bold, how to italic, and this is our paragraph which we want to bold it. Next we have for the italic. Right here I, right here I. So this is going to be italic. Save it. Go for the web page. Refresh it here. So here you can see we have italic size, italic style. So if you are thinking about how to bold and how to italic in the same line, you can also separate them on the new line. By the way, we learned in this video how to bold and italic style of our HTML paragraphs or headings. For example, let's try for our heading. Copy it and paste it. Also copy paste it here on the for the headings. So now save it. Again we are going for our web page. Refresh it. Here you can see tip for you. This is in the italic. So gonna see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.